Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm bringing you another what I ate today, and I had a pretty good day. I'm on the purple plan. I think I've mentioned this before. I did go back to purple. It just seems to work so much better for me. And I ended the day at 10 smart points. So I had just an amazing day, and I had snacks. I mean, I did have a couple of snacks. And my day was a little, some days my day starts off late. So when my day starts off late, I don't tend to get as many snacks in, and then I seem to have a later dinner so that I'm not snacking at night. Not sure if that's good or bad. It's just the way that things work out sometimes. So I'm going to take you along. Today's video is probably going to be super short. I'm just going to show you what I had today. But in sharing my what I ate today's, it's helping me to stay on track because I'm super focused. I'm focused because I know I have to film it, and I know that I have to stay on point. I mean, there's some days that I'm super on point and I'm not filming. There's other days that I'm totally off the rails. I mean, it just depends on the day and the situation. If I'm home, typically I'm on point, I'm on track. If we're out running errands and running around half the day and I'm not prepared to be gone all day, things happen. I mean, and then there goes all my weeklies. So I'm still tracking it. Don't get me wrong. It's not that I'm just going or just kind of throwing caution to the wind. I'm still tracking, but I am definitely eating higher point foods that I would normally eat. So with that said, I have no idea. I'm just rambling now. So with that said, let me show you what I had to eat, and I will. I think I wrapped it up when I filmed my last thing. So I think that's it. It's just going to be a quick short intro, show you what I've had today, and keep this nice, short, and sweet. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Leave me some thumbs up. And with that said, let me show you what I had. All right, simple breakfast today. 0 smart points. I'm just having scrambled eggs and a banana. Having my breakfast a little late today. I think it's 10:30, but that's okay. I really wasn't hungry today. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Are you a early breakfast eater? Do you eat as soon as you get out of bed, or do you wait a couple of hours? Because I definitely am not a get out of bed, let's hurry up and eat breakfast kind of girl. So breakfast, 0 points. I'll be back with my lunch because I don't think I'm going to have a snack between breakfast and lunch with it being this late. For lunch today, I am having chicken fajita pasta. I did throw this in the freezer and I pulled it out, so it is good to go. It freezes very well, so I'm super excited about that. I have one more in the freezer for next week, and then I'll have to make another batch for sure. So I will put a link below in the comments, and I'll also try to put up, like if you look up, I'll try to put a little pop-up here so you'll see the recipe for this. But super good, super easy, and if you're on purple, it is only 1 smart point, so yum for that. Time for a snack. I'm gonna have 2 cuties, so I'm gonna peel these little babies here and have those for a snack, and then I'm going to wait a little while, and then I'm gonna start dinner. So snack, cuties, and I did get a workout in. I'll put a screenshot of my TV here. And that was a tough workout today. I have not been working out consistently, so yeah, tough one. So we'll talk more about that later. All right, time for a snack. I'm gonna have a serving of these sourdough pretzels. I'm gonna have 1 ounce worth. You can see that I have, there it goes, 1 ounce of them measured out. So here we go. 1 ounce of pretzels, 3 smart points. I actually wrote them on the container so I wouldn't forget. So these are so good. If you can find these in your stores, definitely pick these up. I think I picked up this one at Walmart, so definitely get some of these because they're good. Okay, so excuse the mess, but I wanted to show you the aftermath of our chicken street tacos. Here's my plate. I have 2 street tacos here. I did not use any cheese. I did use a little bit of the cilantro lime cream on this one, and then I used the salsa on this one here. The refried beans are my own homemade refried beans. Those are 0 smart points. I'm gonna count 5 for the 2 tacos with the sauce, and my whole dinner will be 5 smart points. So that was my beans. Here are the sauces. This is the chicken. My husband already made his plate, so I mean it did come with a lot of chicken. And then I'm gonna take one of those limes and squeeze it over both of those tacos. So here is the cabbage mixture, the extra cheese, and they gave us 12 tortillas, which, ooh, that's a lot. So looking forward to giving this a try, because again, I've seen this at Costco so many times. We wanted to try it, we just never grabbed it. So yay, dinner. So 5 points for dinner. You can't go wrong with that.